Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Storing protein powder in the fridge is not necessary and might not be the best option. Protein powders are best kept in a cool, dry place. Moisture can lead to clumping and potentially spoilage. If you're dealing with high temperatures or humidity, an airtight container in a cool cupboard is sufficient. Always check the product's storage instructions for the best outcome.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.